Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of your workbook, English workbook, Roots. Okay, worksheet 2. Children, here is the poem about wind. Let's read the poem. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you, but when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I, but when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. So, children, this is the poem about wind. We cannot see wind, but we feel it. Okay, we can feel the wind when the leaves hang trembling, when the trees bow their head. We feel that wind is blowing. So, children, learn first stanza of this poem. Second page. Tick the correct sentences. Cross out the wrong one. The poet can see the wind. Can the leaves tremble? So, children, is this line correct or wrong? The poet can see the wind. No, the poet cannot see the wind. So, here will be a cross mark. The leaves tremble when the wind passes by. Yes, the leaves tremble. So, put a tick mark here. The poet thinks everybody can see the wind. Cross. The poet thinks nobody can see the wind. Okay? So, first one is cross, second one is tick, and third one is also cross. Number 2. How does the poet know the wind is passing by? Tick mark. The correct answer. The leaves fall off the branches, the trees bow their heads. Both A and B. The trees bow their heads. Okay, children. Number B. Question number 3. What do the trees do when the wind passes by? What do the trees do when the wind passes by? The trees bow down their heads when the wind passes by. Okay? How does the poet know that the wind is passing by? When the leaves hang trembling and trees bow down their heads, the poet knows that the wind is passing by. तो बच्चों देखो, ये पोएम जो है ये विंड के बारे में है और विंड को हम लोग देख नहीं सकते पर फील कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. और पोएट बता रहे हैं कि विंड जो है वो विंड ब्लो कर रहा है. ये कैसे पता चलता है? जब लीव्स जो है वो शेक होते हैं और ट्रीज़ जो है वो अपना हेड बो करते, यानी ट्रीज़ जो है वो ऐसे बेंड होते हैं, तो तब पता चलता है कि विंड इज़ पासिंग बाय. ओके. एंड 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. एक पे पहले में बताया जा रहा है कि व्हाट डज द ट्रीज डू व्हेन द विंड पासेस बाय. जब विंड पास होता है तो ट्रीज क्या करते हैं? बो डाउन देयर हेड्स. ओके. तो ट्रीज अपना सर झुकाते हैं. ठीक है. एंड हाउ डज द पोएट नो? पोएट को कैसे पता चलता है कि विंड पासिंग बाय, अभी विंड ब्लो हो रहा है? कैसे पता चलता है? जब ट्रीज ऐसे अपना सर को बो अपने हेड्स बो करते हैं, बो डाउन देयर हेड्स, एंड लीव्स जो है वो शेक करते हैं, तो इससे पता चलता है कि विंड पासिंग हो रहा है. सो ये 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोगों को लर्न करना है. एंड द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा ऑफ द पोएम. So children, learn the first stanza of the poem and these 2 question answer. Here is one more question. What do you like to do on a windy day? Windy day में आप क्या करना पसंद करते हैं? Children, you can write here, on a windy day I like to fly kite. I like to go for a walk in the park. Okay, in this way you can write anything of your choice that you can want to do on a windy day. Okay children, so this is our today's class. Next day we will discuss next worksheet of this book. Learn the first stanza and these two question answers and write this one. Okay, on a windy day what do you like to do? Thank you.